Instructions for transactions on the Verifone credit card machine. This is a wireless credit card machine. It does not require a phone jack or line to have it function. Charge up the unit so it can be operated on battery power. To avoid the machine going into a sleep mode, keep it connected to the power outlet. When battery on, to wake up the machine, press any key, or if a long time has passed and the screen is blank, hold down the Enter key to reinitialize. Hold the green Enter key for several seconds to power up the unit. Initializing occurs and takes a moment. To begin processing a transaction, swipe the customer's credit card. At the prompt, enter the dollar amount of the sale, including sales tax as applicable. This will be on the main sales form you have for a total price of the item. You do not need to enter the period. Hit the Enter button. The receipt tape will feed and a stop beneath the customer's signature line. Tear off the receipt. The machine will continue to print a copy. Have the customer sign the copy on the dotted line. Give them the unsigned copy. Staple the signed receipt with the copy of the product order sheet. Keep in a safe place. Voiding a transaction. Should you need to void a transaction right away after printing the receipt, press the F4 void key. If the transaction was the last one processed, press F1. If the transaction occurred earlier, press F2, no. You will then select Retrieve by Invoice Number. Invoice is listed on the receipt. This will void out the transaction. It will print 2 void copies. Provide one to the customer. Retain the other copy with the receipt. At the end of the day, you must close out the transactions by running a settlement report. Proceed as follows. At the transaction screen, Sale, Phone Order, and Void, press the top left purple button labeled Next. This button serves to bring up the additional processing options. You will see the 4 menu items: Refund, Settlement, Authorization Only, Offline. Press F2 Settlement. A report will print. Once it is finished, it will end with Settlement Successful on the receipt. Tear it off and put it with the other receipts you've accumulated throughout the day. To turn off the unit, you must unplug it from the power source. Hold and press the red Cancel button. It will beep for quite a while. While holding, it will read Shutting Down. Return instructions. It is vital that the equipment is returned to PESI in its entirety. Machine, cables, and instructions. You have been provided with a Federal Express label to ship the unit back to us. Please package the items back in the box provided. Use the tape provided to seal the box and affix the Federal Express label to it. Take this box to the hotel front desk for shipment back to PESI.